Welcome to Omero TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Omero TV. God bless you. My people, a lot of people will say, why Daniel and the brother, why were they mocking their father? Why will they even talk for this matter? Now, I want you people to listen. This story when I carry come before you judge those children. A lot of people won't try remove Daniel and the brother come up for this matter. They won't try remove your children come up for this matter. They forget, say those children are the real victim of this whole thing. Those children are the ones that suffered most with this whole thing. We know the generation where children grow with pains in their hearts and they will still love their parents. We are in a generation when if you do your pikin, they go do you back. You went far, eh? You went far. Daniel and their papa, they have a long talk today. Long talk. That first video when I do, I just give una the headlines. There were a lot of things that he said. According to the Daniel, they said their father make them to believe. Say no be only papa, na the advice pikin. Pikin, papa's parents need to listen to the advice of their children. They said this their father convinced them, try to convince them that what he is doing is right and what their mother is doing is wrong. Say if they don't follow a path, they go regret and they will suffer. He said this same their father, when he born this second child, because the first child when Jujueku Ensu born, they don't already born am. All the whole matter come out on social media. He said when the papa born this second one, the day when this papa go take that pikin picture before he come post am for social media for una. He said when the papa go take that pikin picture, the papa call them. As he called them, now he tell them say, when he born, he dey wait for una, make una call am. He dey wait. He say wait for 1 year. He say no call, papa congratulations, no call from them. Papa, the pikin don reach 1 year, happy birthday, nothing. He said, Daniel, you are the eldest of the house. You are the ada of the house. If you call your brothers and tell them, let us call our stepbrother and wish him happy birthday. Or rather, make we call our papa. Make we tell our papa say, congratulations. Say he don born. He said, nothing from you people. He said their papa open mouth tell them say, thank God say he don born children. Say na he dey born children when he resemble am. Na he dey born children when he go use the hand hit his chest say, yes, this is my children. He said na he born children wey be say if he present come outside. Daniel say, he look his brothers, he look himself. He begin ask herself whether the father dey talk with his real senses or he's talking from live beer or he's talking from too much hot drink. Which father will call his children? Because the children refuse to support his polygamous home and tell them that he don't born. He say because they not celebrate and they not call him, congratulate him. The father will start telling his children, say now he born children when he resemble him. Say go see the pikin. He posted for social media. Everybody was praising him. Say yo, you are walking. Everybody was praising him. Say make the Daniel go, make they go see view. Say make the Daniel say papa tell am say make he go a page, make go see view. Pikin children wey go take proud. Children wey they go uplift am. Children wey they go become billionaire na e born so. No be una. You people are wicked like your mother. He said then, they never even heal like this. This whole thing was still like a film in their eyes. Daniela said especially her. He said every day she go, they wake up, they pray, say, God, just let this whole thing be dream. Make it just wake up from this dream. But the more she think, the more reality the Father make it to be. He said, I've been at the time when he born that baby girl. Daniel said a lot of people are saying things they don't know. She said, is it when you gave birth to that baby girl? He said, you know what you tell her? Do you have idea of what you told her? He said, you tell her and say, make it come. Make it come greet his sister. The very first time when Daniel, the girl sister, Daniel should come and greet her. Daniel said, now he tell papa, say, those people, he and those people will never ever have anything to do in common. He don't finally get baby girl. Beautiful one for that matter. Fine baby girl. Internet they shake for a pikin. See the kind fine children where he come dey born. Just imagine say he know herself juju ekwensu. Daniel say papa tell am say you see how wicked and devilish your mama be. See fine children where your mama no want make come life. He said these children now they chop your mama. Now they chop your mama. He said you see as God punish your mama. God can't give her baby girl. Baby girl we want to make it younger for her. God can't give her. He said papa tell her say behave yourself. Oh. Behave yourself. Not be only you be the girl for the house again. Competition don't start. Challenge don't start. Who do best? Now you go to see. He said now waiting he papa tell her. Daniel said before his mama change phone number. Because definitely husband and wife, they get each other phone number now. For everywhere. WhatsApp everywhere. Juju Ekwensu go send message. Can't give him mama. He go use yo. Nobody send message. Can't give him mama. Yo go send the message. Can't give him mama. He go say, Juju Ekwensu, you are the best cook. Since when they born her come life, you never eat the kind food where you they cook for her. See as food sweet finish. You are really a traditional woman. See how soup sweet. As you sweet, now so your food is sweet. He said they'll send that message, go give him mama. Later, they'll come send message, come say, oh, wrong number. We are sorry for the message, wrong number. Every day now they sorry for the message, wrong number. He said papa go deal with Juju Ekwensu. He said she don't know whether na Juju Ekwensu they do or na papa and Juju Ekwensu they plan her together. He said they'll call him mama. He said then Juju Ekwensu and Yo, he said they go they talk for the background. It go be like say the phone press, they don't know. You understand? Then they go they talk. Yo go they call her names. Then they go they talk. Yo go they call her beautiful woman. See shape. Your baby they turn my head. Why not come meet you? Why did I wasted my years? Why did I wasted my time? Now lay you for born for me. Your children too fine. You too fine. Ijele. It's a wine. Wasted time with the wrong woman. You too sweet. Purposely for the mother to hear. He said, I've been at them. She, Daniel. He said they put phone for speaker for even her. That is a child. What is her business if your papa go give him a belly? You feel it at your early age or stage of life. You get age where you go reach, it is no longer your business. At the age where she did now, the kind of life that the father chose to live is no longer a business. She don't heal from it. She was suffering from it because she was younger. Now she knows that it doesn't really mean anything to her. He said, but you and Judy, He said they will still put that phone for speaker. They go call her. They go, they pretend as if the phone enter call by itself. He say you go they talk. You and Judy go they talk. See how God bless us with children. He say you go they tell Judy, I need a baby girl. I don't have a baby girl. He say Judy go say, you get one now. He say you go say, which one? Ah, God forbid though. Like mother, like daughter. What do I do with those ones? Give me a baby girl, special one, beautiful one. Say she will cut the call. She know the listing. She'll just cut her. He said the mother was forced to go and change her number. He said that's why the father don't have me Edochie number. Her own, now she can't call them another day. She can't still do like say the phone enter speaker. That is what her mother don't do. But she do her own. She can't begin to talk her own. They curse his papa, curse Juju Ekwensu. He said the kind curse where he curse his papa. Yeah, old man. He say he be small pikin. He say he curse his papa. He say na that day, now they triumph for her body reach. Fear no let they call her again. He said the mother was forced to change her number. He said that is the extent this man go. Daniel say if to say him mama, not be person wey not like trouble. He say if Nai and Kai, he say by this time, he say two of them, therefore go they start to the dance on social media as a payback because their eyes see coin, their eyes see pepper for this their papa body. He said this man wanted to destroy them. He said their papa never see anything. He said they just new start to the mock. He said make that pigamy case where whole leg for ground finish. He said unless he go change in over. He said they will make sure all those call where they call their mama, they will make sure they return it back to him. They will continue to disgrace and mock and laugh at him. Not on social media. They will not put it on social media, but they will call him private. And they will make sure they frustrate him. Join the frustration when he did. So before you talk, say Daniel and the brothers, they are not part of it. They are definitely part of it. Definitely. Daniel say, Yul and his son Zin. His mama buy special phone and special number. Give Zin mate they talk to. Give Zin mate they talk to his papa. He said before now, me Edochie you suppose call. Me Edochie pass phone. Give her last born, which is Zin. Give the small one Zin. He said, but they stop it. They went to buy new phone number for Zin. Why? Every minute you go just call. Give the phone to Zin. I want to talk to Zin. Now so this man go to talk to Zin. He go to tell Zin, your brother, come and see your brother. Your brother fine pass you. He get height pass you. The mama tall pass your mama. Come here, you come see her. Your mama na short woman for where they very tall, very handsome, very brilliant. Is that what you call your son to tell your son? Come here, you come know her. Tell your mommy to bring you to come and know your brother. He's very handsome. You would like to be his friend. Now waiting you, they tell Zin. So me Edochie have to cut off her number and make sure she puts that thing in order. That matter they still carry and go court. Because me Edochie register the call of you to his son. Now they warn you for courts. So, tell me if these children were not part of the story. People where they say, let Daniela be. Let Daniela be. Even Daniela, they attack them. Now you know they follow Daniela. They say, let Daniela be. Daniela herself, they give them woto sometimes. They give them woto. Not be Daniela come out, come right, say, Pastor, when you open church, you not see offering money, run enter us. Not be Daniela monkey papa. Now let them know what they see. Daniela said they will frustrate him during this court case. Say never see anything. He said wetin their papa do then and wetin person take dey kpai just to frustrate them. America wonder really happened for inside the story. May Edochie is a strong woman. That woman is a strong woman. The children also, they are very strong. If you look at the children, you don't see those pains. You don't see anything in them. They just move on from a wicked father. The earlier you know the type of parents you have, the earlier your healing will fast. If your father is a bad father, no take him as a bad papa. If your mama na bad mama, take her like bad mama. Not to say na my mama, not to say na my papa. Take them for who they are. If they treat you bad, take them to be that bad papa. If to say these children don't put on for their mind, say, this our father is Colometus. This man is a wicked man. Therefore, never feel him. Everything where they do for still they pain them. But they know him to be a wicked father. So no matter what he do, they put that name on him. He's a wicked man. So he can do anything. He can go to any extent. My people, America wonder shall never end. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Omero TV. God bless you.